Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek and that is Praveen Nair, and today we're going to be doing a Moong Pancake for you.
It's so Indian and very easily available. At the same time, it gets you a great option of protein when it's about vegetarians. It has some amount of carbohydrates, but that's okay because it provides you less amount of calories. So let's go and have a look at the recipe.
2 cups of fresh green moong soaked in lukewarm water for about 20 minutes. 2 garlic cloves, 4 tablespoons of almond and flaxseed powder mix. So that's 2 tablespoons of almond flour and 2 tablespoons of flaxseed flour mixed together. 1.5 tablespoons of mint chutney, which I've already prepared before. Olive oil for cooking. Pink Himalayan salt as per taste. First in a blender, I'm going to add some priorly soaked moong. 2 cups of fresh moong soaked in lukewarm water. Now we're going to blend the same. Now next I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves to it. I'm going to also add 1.5 tablespoons of the mint chutney which I made. Lastly, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons, like I told you, flaxseed and almond flour. Now lastly, I'm going to add half a cup of water and blend it for the one last time. And the mixture is ready, and I'm going to pour it into another container. Lastly, we add salt to it. Now we're going to pour the mixture onto the pan. And we have a nice sweet round shape what we're going to give it. So you can also use sprouts instead of the whole moong which I used. I also used whole moong because it is a little more crunchier and it gives you a nutty flavor. The delicious moong pancakes are ready. Now why they're a great option for breakfast or lunch? Because I have alternated it with a keto flour. That means I have used a flaxseed and an almond flour, making the whole pancake extremely low in carbohydrates and calories.
Exactly. What you want to do now to get such kind of amazing videos is that subscribe and hit that bell icon. That's very important, that you always get to know about our new videos. And we got about almost 7 videos coming down for you guys in a week. So thank you so much for watching us. We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.
Thank you.
Peace out.